Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. In this lesson, we'll explore how to use HTML5 to embed audio and video onto your web pages. HTML5 introduced new elements for multimedia content, making it easier than ever to add sound and visuals to your site. So let's go ahead and get started in our HTML. So in our index.html, I'll add an h2 that says, listen to some music. And then I'll add audio controls. And in those audio controls, I'm going to add source. Source is equal to music.mp3, and then the type will be audio/mp3. And when I hit save, you're going to see this audio file that's a 3-minute long song, and that's because in my folder I already have a music.mp3 file. You can download any mp3 of your choice and just call it music or whatever you want. Just remember, if you change the title to something or the title of the song, make sure it's accurate according to what the source is pointing to. Under the source, I'm going to write, your browser does not support the audio element. And this is just in case it doesn't load properly. It'll just show this text. So in this example, the audio element has the controls attribute, which adds playback controls, volume, and the source specifies which audio to play. So if I hit play now, it'll start playing the song that I have on file, although you may not be able to hear it on your end. And if the browser doesn't support the audio element, it would display this message saying your browser doesn't support the audio element. And now for the video, let's add an H2 that says watch a video. And now I'm going to add a video with a width of 320 pixels and a height of 240 pixels. And then I'll add the controls for the video here. And inside the video tags, I'll add a source. And in this case, I'll do movie.mov, and the type is going to be video/MOV. And the type will be video/MP4. And then under that, I'll type the same thing. Your browser does not support this video element. And now in this example, same thing as the audio, our video element has the controls attribute, and the width and height attribute specifies the size of the video layer. The source element specifies which video file it's linked to, and if the browser doesn't support the video element, it'll display this message saying your browser does not support this video element. And if I hit play, you can see that the video is playing. HTML5 makes it easy to add audio and video to your web pages without the need for external plugins. You can use the audio and video elements to embed multimedia content directly into your HTML, providing a richer experience for your users. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code with Ro for more coding insights. Thanks for watching. If you want to support my channel, hit that Patreon link in the description below.